Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to turn on your PlayStation 5. Now, if it's your first time turning on a new PlayStation 5, if you press the PlayStation button right here, your controller will not turn on your PlayStation like it would on the PlayStation 4. What you actually need to do is go to the power button on the PS5 itself. And the power button will be right here on the outside. Just go ahead and press this once, and it should turn on the PlayStation 5. Now, once you do have your controller connected in the future, if you do press this PlayStation button, it will turn on your PlayStation 5 remotely from anywhere in your living room. So it's very easy to turn on. Press the PlayStation button or press the power button on the PlayStation 5 itself. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.